What's up, guys? So today we have a Nintendo DS Lite console with a broken top screen, as you can see here, but otherwise working. Yeah, I tested microphone, buttons, game loading, everything was fine. So what I want to do today is fix it and fix it with a spare part. I have here a spare top screen that I will use. And I also have a very important brand new housing, a brand new shell for replacement in a nice, beautiful, clear red. So that's what I want to do. So what we need to do is disassemble this unit first, get everything out, then discard the top screen. And then we start assembling everything in the clear red shell. And once I install the bottom screen, I will actually, the digitizer is actually in very good condition. I could also keep this one, honestly. I'll think about it, because I also have new digitizers I could install here. Anyway, let's get cracking. I like to reuse this part here, this metal plate. I don't like so much the one that comes from this AliExpress kit. Okay, the shoulder buttons come out. We just get rid of the rods and springs. Put it aside, you can also reuse them. Just bear in mind, this kit actually comes with everything actually, with rubbers, with the screw springs, screen cover also. It's a really good one, I have to say. This cost like €10 off AliExpress. Highly recommend it. I'm gonna try to attach this. Yeah, there's a rubber that sticks there, and then the cable. Gently remove it. Okay, and this cable, it passes under these DS game slots. Okay, here we go. And finally, we also have here, that's the Wi-Fi antenna, the black one here, and the white one is the microphone. Yeah, so also gently here, trying to pry it off. Okay, good. And now we can carefully touch this. Okay, and move screen together with the motherboard. That's the bottom screen, because here you have the ribbon cable. You don't want to damage it, so either use your nail or a prying tool to pry that black thing off, and then that's it. It's free. And now here, this is the video ribbon cable from the bottom screen, and this is the digitizer ribbon cable from the bottom screen. So you want to be careful, extra careful with this one particularly. It's really easy to break off. So just like that, I will take it out. Okay, and this one with my nail. Okay, it's open. All right. These rubbers are actually super dirty. I'm going to use clean ones that I have from spare parts. Otherwise, I would spend here some time with isopropyl alcohol to clean them up. And now here we have antenna and microphone cables. And here you need to be extremely careful so that you fit the ribbon cable right through that slit here. You see that slit here? Yeah, and you move it, slide it to the right, just like that. And then you move this part of the shell away from the top one, just like that. Here we have the hinge. We're gonna need this, so I'm gonna put it aside for a second. I still need to clean this. And now we just need to remove speakers, antenna, and screen. So screen, I'll do like this. I'll press down here. Yep, just like that. Alright, before we start assembling, let's just take a moment. I want to already do some things beforehand. For example, let's already assemble this here. Let's put this aside. Okay, so now the next thing I want to do is, I'm gonna put it aside for a second, but here, metal part, I'm going to swap with that one. As I mentioned, this one has like this extra cushion. I prefer this one better. Okay, and last but not least, I'm going to apply some glue there. You see that there's a rectangular, there's like a piece of metal there that's supposed to hold the screw from the battery lid. I like to put a drop of glue there so it doesn't come out like with screwing and unscrewing over time. So do that really quick. Now let's install the good screen in the new shell. I don't have any white frame for the digitizer, so I will probably just swap that one with the one that comes here, and that's right here. So I'm just going to remove this. Yeah, this is the back side, this is the front side. You can see from the details in the edge. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here real quick. It has films on both sides, by the way. I'm showing shortly how it's done, how you peel it off. Okay. So here we're going to apply the film on the edge, so you can reattach the screen, and just going to peel that edge out. It's a bit difficult. Come on, here. No, okay. And now comes the tricky part. So this is the back side of the lens again. So I need to be careful here because of dust and so on. I have the compressed air can here next to me. I think I'm going to need it. So I will peel off this from the underside. Okay. And now I'm going to lift this up. Just going to give it a bit of compressed air from underneath the screen, making sure there's no traps, no dust trap there. Okay. And now maybe let me also do here, just in case. Okay, more than enough. And I'll just turn and pop it in, like that. Okay. Alright, that's it. Now I will detach it again, and you'll see in a second why. So now I'll push it out. Now that the screen is aligned with the lens, nameplate, I'll do like this, I'll do like this, because now we need to put, you know, everything basically. Just like we open it like this from under, and you push it, and we push it, slide it up top, yeah, like that. Sometimes you hear a click. I don't hear anything, but I think that's good. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. Just put it quickly in the screws on. Okay, let me see if we actually need a new digitizer. This one has a sticker. If I get the sticker out, I think we don't need a new digitizer, we just keep the original. Nah. Nah, let's use a new one. Yeah, I don't see anything trapped under, so I think we're good. We can leave this guy here now because we are already almost done. At this point, you could have also tried testing the console without trying to go directly and close it. I'm just being ambitious, basically. and trying to go to the very end. Okay, we're actually getting very close to finish this. Very close. Let me just remove here the battery lead. So there's one thing that I really don't like about these kits, and I highly recommend that you do, and that's to trim the power slide. I find it that very often it just doesn't fit, and as a result you'll fit your shell and you try to power it on, and the slide just doesn't move or gets stuck. So what I like to do is take a box cutter and trim it. I'm just going to try to see a close up. You see that gap? Yeah, try to make it a bit wider. That's what I'm going to do here in a second. Okay, I think we're good. All right, time for the test. Let's forget about it. Let's just turn this on. All right. Okay, it's power. The volume slider is okay. No, it's fine. Okay, it's good. Yeah, nice. It's good. All right, we still need to put this guy in. Maybe I can do it now. Now for the big reveal. I'm gonna show you guys. There we have it. Look at that. Let's try a wave fan skin. Alright. Very good. The top corners here of the bottom screen are a bit burned out, but I don't care, that's fine for me. Let's try the DS game. Yeah, it also looks really cool. Right. Cool, so that was it. I think it's a really cool transformation, really cool mod for this console. Let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and stay in touch. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.